Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bharti, consultant plastic surgeon. In this video, we are going to discuss about the difference between the options for breast augmentation. The only two safe and permanent ways of increasing the breast size or breast augmentation is breast implant and breast fat fill. Now first let's discuss about the technique of each, and then we will discuss about the pros and cons of each procedure. Now when we say breast implant, what we are doing is we are choosing a predetermined size and shape of an implant by taking certain measurements and having a discussion with the patient about her choice, and we insert this implant through a small incision, let's say around 5 to 7 centimeters under the breast. Now this implant can be placed either under the breast or under the muscle according to the patient's choice, and again this involves a discussion with the surgeon as to what are the benefits of each position. The other option of increasing the breast size is the breast fat fill. In this procedure, what we do is we do a liposuction of a specific part, let's say a tummy or thigh or arms, aspirate the fat and inject this fat into the breast. So we remove the unwanted fat from an area and we move it to a desired part, which is the breast. This is more of a natural process, as we use your own fat to enhance the size of your breast. And there are no scars on the breast. The incisions are made only in the armpit. Now this is about breast fat fill. Now coming to the advantages of both the procedures, both help to increase the size of the breast. The implant gives a much better size and projection, as it's a predetermined volume, whereas in breast fat fill it's more of an increase, let's say of 1 or 1.5 cup size with a natural appearance. The size achieved by using a breast implant is permanent and does not decrease in size, whereas in a breast fat fill there is a chance of 20% reabsorption of fat. Hence, a small decrease in the size can occur. But whatever the size that remains at the end of 3 months is permanent. Now, both the cases, there is no does not affect lactation, as there are no scars on the nipple or areola. But in the implant, there is a small scar around 5 or 7 centimeters under the breast, which is well hidden in the breast crease. Whereas in breast fat fill, there are no scars on the breast. There are only 2 small scars which can be hidden in the axilla. The risks of a breast implant are there, as it is a process. You can have capsular contracture or rupture or infection or a wrinkling or what we call as a rippling effect. These are all very minimal, but there is a chance that it can occur. Whereas in breast fat fill, as it's a natural process of fat, the only problems is the higher reabsorption of fat, and sometimes small cysts called oil cysts can appear. So on the whole, both breast fat fill and implant give us good results which are permanent and help to increase the size of the breast. Both can be done as a day care procedure under general anesthesia, and the patient can be discharged on the same day. The downtime is minimal and the recovery is also very quick. If you have further doubts, or if you want to discuss about which option is more suitable for you, you can call us or contact us. Thank you.